Animate text or objects on your slides in PowerPoint to make your presentation stand out. Select the object or text you want to animate. Select Animations and choose an animation. Select Effect Options and choose an option. Select Preview to see how the animation will look. You can change the timing for an animation, like changing when it starts, its duration, or creating a delay before an effect starts. To add another animation to the object, select Add Animation and choose an animation. To change the order that objects animate, select an animation marker and choose Move Earlier or Move Later. Want to animate a group of objects? Hold Ctrl and select the objects. Select Animation and choose an animation.